Go.
All right. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Teach Stuff, brought to you by Integrator Inc.
What's on your shirt?
Oh, what do you call it? Iron remover.
Dang.
Detailing cars.
What does that have to do with anything?
Nothing.
Yeah. I'm Landon.
I'm Bilal.
I'm Logan.
I'm going to explain why the 2010 Haiti earthquake was one of the most devastating natural disasters. In 2010, Haiti had an earthquake, which, did you guys remember that?
Yeah, a little bit.
I remember
Not
our schools
much.
talking about it, like actually helping.
Yeah.
So-
We did an art project where we made hearts with little, not diamond, but like those fake plastic diamonds centerpieces.
Oh,
and
yeah.
clip on.
I think we did like some fundraiser thing where we like gave them, I don't know, we donated something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good deal.
Yeah.
But yeah, we remember it. Like, I heard it was really bad.
It was very bad. And it was very bad for two reasons. We'll get to that later. I'm going to hit you with a few fast facts real quick.
Okay.
So, fast facts number one, estimated 250,000 people died.
Oh,
At least 300,000 people were injured. And since from 2010 to 2020, a decade, more than $16 billion has been aided to Haiti, whether it was through organizations that did that or just private donors who felt that they needed to give. Alright, so there's two reasons. We're going to come back to them right now. So why was this so deadly? Well, so you know how the volcano erupts with the plate sliding?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Tectonic plates.
That's how earthquakes happen, because they slide, shake. And this one was registered with a magnitude of 7. So if you don't know how a earthquake is measured, it's measured on a scale. It goes from 1, and then 8 or higher is pretty bad. So 1,
What is the max?
Yeah. What is the next?
I do not know, but
Is it
although
10?
so,
Oh, 8 or higher was like very bad.
yeah, because that's closest to the surface of the earth. At 1, it happens closer to the core, because if plates slide near the core,
It doesn't have much effect.
yeah, because it's buried so far deep in the earth.
No, but
Whereas-
it's the plates are in the lithosphere.
Hmm?
The plates, the tectonic plates, they're in the lithosphere.
Yeah.
That's like the furthest away from the core.
Hmm.
That's how they get to the core.
So that would be like a 7. That would be like a closest to the surface. It would be an 6 to 8 magnitude, because it happens right there. So everything on top of it's on shake too.
Oh, so not like close, actually close to the core, like just like closest to
Yeah.
the core. Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's not anywhere.
But it's
near.
still on the surface. Basically, it's like on the grand scheme of the Earth, it's still on the surface,
Mhm.
right? Just
Yeah.
like whether it's like here or here.
Mhm.
All right, cool.
Not to scale. But
Yeah, not to scale, but we're just
So
just trying to
it's
understand it.
the magnitude, and so Haiti is one of the least developed countries out there. 70% of the population at the time lived in poverty. That is why it was so deadly, because you can't build grand buildings if you're poor.
Why do you need to build grand buildings?
Well, I mean,
Oh, you mean like build with
Yeah.
good structures?
yeah.
Okay.
Because they just build, and if it works, it works. There's no like inspector saying, "Oh, you need this. Gotta go back and do this."
Makes sense.
That really screwed them over, because the epicenter of this earthquake happened not too far away from the capital, and everybody's in the capital, right? In the metropolitan area, busy, just like the city capitals are. And because poorly built structures and just the number of people there, when it hit, just did some damage. And then the aftershocks. This happened, I think, January 13th. So you know how when an earthquake, the earth like
The plates move.
yeah, and then everything like
Collapses.
yeah,
Mhm.
that's the aftershocks.
I thought don't aftershocks occur after the earthquake altogether?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know how in elementary school when you had the earthquake drills, you used to stay there even after everything stops moving.
Mhm.
That's for aftershocks purposes.
Oh, okay. So aftershocks mean that it's not over.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like after you actually have the movement, then it's like a shock of like.
Like when you knock over like say a card tower, maybe some might fall over, and then others fall over later.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
the equivalent.
Or like Jenga tower.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
You like it starts to like tip and then the whole thing crashes
And
down.
these aftershocks, like there were multiples of them, and they didn't happen like immediately right after. They could the most dangerous one was recorded with a magnitude of 5.9,
Mhm.
and that happened days after the original earthquake.
So this wasn't the deadliest earthquake ever?
I'm not sure if it was the deadliest. That was just my hook, but it's it's pretty bad. That's 2 reasons why it happened and some quick facts about it. So now we're gonna move on to the quiz.
Wait, before you go to the quiz,
Sure.
why did the so why did it happen in Haiti? Is it just like is it a usual thing for earthquakes to happen there?
Or unless it's
Like-
over a tectonic plate.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Because I know that San Francisco gets a lot of earthquakes because
Mhm.
whoever,
over it.
like, yeah, it's literally built on a tectonic
Oh,
plate.
okay.
I'm not sure if Haiti gets a lot
Whoever
of
was the genius to think of that.
All right,
But
well I'll
they
put
get,
the information on the screen right here.
They get a lot of unfortunate events like tsunamis because tsunamis,
Haiti?
yeah, storms and stuff.
Yeah.
It's bad because that's another reason why they're underdeveloped because this hit them. They're already poor, and then they're getting hit with storms after
Right.
storms
Right.
after storms.
Yeah, Trump called it, like, Haiti a really bad word.
So that's why Haiti's having problems, and still does because one after the next.
All right, you can go to the quiz now.
Beside ecological features, what's another reason an earthquake might be so devastating?
I think you would.
Yeah.
Okay, besides you said because of a logical reason?
Eco.
Oh, ecological?
Yeah, like beside geography and
Oh, okay. So because it might be devastating because if it happens in a very poor area, then it can knock down all their structures. Like if it happens in the United States, we have a little bit better structural integrity, but if it happens somewhere in Haiti, it's gonna be a lot more devastating.
good deal. Correct. All right. But how much money has been given to Haiti since 2010?
16 billion?
Yep. Cool. Alright, point to Bilal. I have no bonus questions, so final deathmatch right now.
All right.
What year did this take place in?
Oh wait,
It's a 2010.
Yeah, Bilal has won the match. We're just
What was that?
He's testing
I'm
the
upset.
buzzer.
Rage quit?
I'm upset. Landon said final death match. I was expecting this question to be hard. Then he says what year.
Yeah,
Dang it. All right, I guess Bilal wins then.
Yep, congrats.
Thank you.
So, if you like today's video and want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, like it, share it.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
But hold on. Check out this video on the screen that we're gonna show right now.
Right here.
And yeah, make sure to check out that video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Peace.
Till the next one.